So for this recipe, you'll need 1 carrot, you'll need 2 green onions, you'll need 2 minced garlic, you'll need half a Bac Ha. You can pick them up at your local Chinese restaurant. I shaved mine.
You'll need 1 celery chop.
For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of water. I would usually use 1 cup for like a regular soup serving, but since we're using a whole fish, you're gonna need 2 cups. Now boil this water on high heat and I'll show you how to season your fish. The fish I'm using for this recipe is a Swai headless fish, but you can use whatever fish you have. So all I've done was just added some salt, some pepper, some of this chili powder I got from Sprouts, and then you'll be ready for the next step. You massage it in and get that flavor in there. Do it to all your pieces. I've just finished seasoning all the fish. Don't forget to get the sides. That's the part that will taste really good. You let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes while you do the other steps. Your soup should look something like this, and you'll want to take this oyster sauce and just add a tiny drizzle of it. Mix it all in and it'll make the soup nice and brown and have some color, since all we're relying for the broth is like the vegetables and this oyster sauce. Now it's time to add your delicious fish. I'm going to be adding 1.5 more cups of water since this fish is really big. The fish is nearly done cooking, and once it's done, you see this brown layer. You just want to take that off with a spoon. This fish is nearly done. You can see it's kind of white, so I'll be adding in the seasoning. And for the seasoning, you'll need all-purpose flour, some parsley, and some salt and pepper. After mixing all the seasonings into the soup, you're ready to serve. And this is how you make a delicious fish soup.